Everybody, it's Haley again, and well, I went to the hospital for my baby sister. She had mono. You see, we went to the hospital, and at the gift shop, you'll be hearing that a lot if my mom's messaging, but I got this cool little, it's called Robby Jr., and actually why it's called Junior is because actually I had one of these before. I got in South Carolina when I was traveling, and actually they're about like this big, and then this is Junior. So I got this color. The other color there was red and yellow, but I just like this better. And there's also green and red and orange and green. So let's get this open. It's really squishy. It's hard. Alright, let's get this open. Right. I think I got it, kind of. Alright, I got it, I think. Alright. Got it, yes. Here it is. It's really squishy. It's not full of air. Well, it is, but it has some beam in it or something, I feel. It has, like, in the arm, it feels like little beams, but only in the arm and stuff. It's very squishy, like a balloon. Very cool, and then the head is all squiggly. So cute. Let's get that wheel.